In this video, I'm going to show you how you could show your battery percentage on your iPhone. This is a iPhone XR, but you could do this with the iPhone 11 as well. So there is no way to show the percentage here next to the battery, but there's two ways for you to actually see your percentage. The first one is to swipe from top to bottom on the right side of your phone, which opens your control center, and then you'll see the percentage here on the right side top. The next way, and the most efficient way, is to add a widget. And to add a widget, you basically swipe all the way to your home location, and then you're gonna see the widgets here. And the way you add the battery widget is by clicking on edit here on the bottom, and then the widgets on the top with the minus and the red circle, that means that are active. So if yours doesn't look like this, you could definitely rearrange them by clicking on this icon here, move them up and down if you need to, and then you could add more widgets if you wanted to. And then let's say your phone is low battery and you want to see what percentage you are from the lock screen. Basically on the lock screen, you swipe from left to right, and then it's gonna pull all your widgets, and then your battery percentage is gonna show there. Alright, so that's how you do it in iOS 13. With iOS 14, they're going to add additional functionalities which will make this a little bit easier. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.